Do you all know how big is Indian tea market? By 2030, the Indian tea market is forecasted to reach around 32 billion USD. Many decades ago, tea plantation in India had established by British East India Company. No proof of tea consumption found before that period. In year 1953, the Tea Board of India was set up under the Tea Act 1953. Indian tea is the best and finest tea in the world. Indian geography is highly suitable for plantation of tea, and huge investment in the tea industry has flourished the industry in India. Northeast, North Bengal, Nilgiris are some of the major tea growing regions in India, making India world's second largest tea producer. Over 3,000 varieties of tea, the world's second most popular beverage, are grown in the world. India is the home to wide varieties of tea: green tea, orthodox tea, Assam tea, Darjeeling tea, organic tea. All these varieties have their own distinct aroma, flavor and color, hence are unique and special. India is the fourth largest tea exporter, next to Kenya, Sri Lanka, and China. The total tea exports in year 2021 were worth 755 million. India accounts for 30% of the global production of tea. India is the largest consumer of the tea across the world, and this proves how much Indians love tea. Also, India is one of the global leaders when it comes to tea production, consumption and exports. Post-independence, tea cultivation has gone up by over 250%, while the land used for growing tea has increased by 40%. Naturally, Indian tea industry is a mass employer, and over 3 million workers are employed in various tea companies across India. Tata Tea, India's leading tea brand with a market share of 30% has 4 national and 3 regional brands. One in every 3 Indian households consume tea from Tata Tea's brand. What do you like? Tea or coffee? Assam is the largest tea producing state in India.